Hey guys, and a very warm welcome back to my channel DIY Fab House. So in today's video we will be learning about three different kinds of slime activators that you guys can make in India. And I've seen many of the comments, you people wanted to know that how do I make my slime activators. So this video is for you. I'm not going to teach you only one but three different kinds of slime activators with using only Indian products. Okay, and they are very easily available everywhere. Okay, and they are very cheap as well, of course. So we will be making three different kinds of slime activators today. Before starting my video, I wanted to tell you guys that in this video the products that I'm using, okay, I can only assure you about the working of those products. If you guys are using some other company or some other products, so that in that case I cannot assure you that if it work out or not. So please don't blame upon the video if you're using any other products, but I'm going to tell you all the products and I'm going to show you how do I make my activators. Also, many people think that my videos are fake because they think that I cut down the video. There are cut shots in the video, so they think that I've added something else, or they just don't feel that the videos are genuine. So this video is going to prove you guys that my videos are all genuine, and I'm going to show you side by side. I'm going to show you the working of those activators, and this video would not have even a single cut shot. Okay, so video may be long a bit, but I think it's worth it. You will be learning about many things, and also it's going to be proving you about the genuinity of the videos that I make, and you guys can try it yourself, all of these activators out, and please write down in the comments how it worked out for you. Okay, please use the products that I'm telling, because that's the one I can assure you would work. Okay, so from the three, let's make the first one. So I'm going to start with the most dreaded one, that is borax. So I have already made a video on how you can get borax in India, because me myself, when I was learning how to make slime, I used to dread this word because I never thought that I would be able to get borax in India. But there is a magical word. Okay, so you can use that word, go to any general store at a very cheap price, you can get borax. I got this just for ₹20. Okay, and that magical word is, I've made already a video on it. You guys can check it out. In the description is a very short video, and you guys can just look at the video and know that word. Okay, so you can easily get this borax in India. I live in Delhi and I can easily get it at any general store, so you can. Okay, so we will be first making borax slime activator. So the borax slime activator is how you have to make it. I'm also using 3 different spoons for the different activators, so that you guys can know that I haven't done any kind of mixing in the activators to make them work in any way. Okay, so I'm using first spoon. I'm taking a very little amount of activator because I just wanted to show you that how it's working, and also it's very strong. Okay, so if you want to make clear slimes, I always recommend you to use borax itself, because it's, when you add room temperature water into it, it's going to be like very much clear. Okay, it's not going to make your slime turbid in any way, and you can use it freely in making the crystal slime. It's not going to leave any kind of residue inside your slime. Okay, so I have mixed it up. Okay, it's going to properly dissolve in the water. I recommend you to not to use cold water for this, for borax, and use either room temperature water or warm water. If you use warm water, it would give you a even better results. Okay, so this one was the borax one. Let's put it here. Borax one is done. Now we will be making our second one, that is with the carom powder. Okay, so this is, to be very clear about the company, this is the Vasu carom powder that I am using. If camera can focus. Okay, Vasu, it's written in Hindi, Vasu, and this is the carom powder that I use. It's very easily available. I assure you, in Delhi it's easily available. I think in other states also it must be available. So use only Vasu carom powder. I have tested the other carom powders, but they don't work. This is a carom board powder which we use to play carom board. Okay, to smoothen the, to remove the friction from the board. And this is the powder. I have removed the label a long time ago, so please don't consider it, but this is the Vasu carom powder. Okay, so this works very well. I I mostly use this one. This is my favorite one if you're making the fluffy slimes. So it's like a mild kind of activator that it's going to make. Okay, so we are not going to dilute it very much because it's already very mild. We are using another spoon to mix this up with water. Okay, and this works very well with fluffy slime, and this is very easy to handle. And I got this whole big bottle full for ₹20 only, so it's very cheap and it's actually easily available. You can buy it at any sports shop, the shops which sells, you know, toys and all. So I have mixed this up. This is our second activator. I'm just making it in small quantities just to show you guys their working and how to make them. I'm not going to waste anything upon it. So the third activator is the one that you can make at your home even right now, because this is very widely available. So this is the Tide detergent. I have stored it in a polythene. My mother has stored it. My mother did store it. So this is the Tide detergent. I can assure you about the Tide. It's working as a slime activator. And I don't know about the other detergent. I haven't tested it yet. If you are using any other detergent and it works, do tell in the comments below. Okay, so this is the Tide detergent that I'm using. Please strictly adhere to the products that I use, because these are the products that I only know about. I don't know about the other products. Okay, so now I'm using another spoon, taking some amount of this detergent powder into my container, putting the rest aside. Now adding the normal room temperature water again. Okay, and mixing this up. This is a kind of activator that I don't use much. It works with the slime. If you want to make the slime, it's going to make the slime, but I usually don't give it a preference. I don't like it that much, but yes, it's a slime activator and it works in making slime. Okay, so this is the Tide detergent. I have dissolved it in the room temperature water normally. Okay, now we are prepared with our 3 different kinds of slime activators. Now it's time to test them out. I'm using the normal Fevigum glue. It's very easily available at any stationery mart, and I'm going to just test all these 3 on the glue. So first batch of glue I've added. Now we will be adding our first slime activator. So this, I'm adding it here. Okay, and after adding it, we will be mixing it up, and as you guys can see, it just forms the slime very fast. Okay, very fast. So you guys can see, let me focus this. So I have got my it's like it works very well with the crystal slime. It's like very transparent. Okay, this is what we want in the crystal slimes, right? So I recommend you to just dilute this much, because borax in itself is a strong one, and if you dilute it much, so if you dilute it in a larger quantity, so it's going to give you a better result. Okay, so I hope you guys can see. I think my camera is okay with it. So I made a beautiful crystal clear slime here just in 1 second. It just forms very fast. Okay, I'm not going to waste this. I'm going to use this in my other slime videos. Now let's test the second one. This is my favorite for the category of making fluffy slimes, because it's easy to work with. Actually, you can, even if you overdo it, it can be redone. So I'm adding this activator. Let me add it like this. Okay, so after adding it up, I will be mixing this up. As you guys can see that it's forming kind of jiggly slime, because I think I've over diluted it a bit. No worries, let's add some more. And there we go, we got a beautiful soft fluffy slime. And as you guys can see that this one is clear and this one is kind of turbid. Okay, so that's why I told you that if you wanted to make the crystal clear slime, then go with this one. And as you guys can see, I have made some jiggly slime with me. Okay. I think I need to zoom this up. Wait a minute, just a minute. I don't know what's okay. So this is my jiggly. This is a slime that I made from the second activator. Now it's time to test my third activator. Okay, so for this I'm putting the glue here because it's quite clean this at this place. So I have added the glue. Now I'll be using the detergent one. We will be adding a bit of it into the slime. Okay, now we will be mixing this up, and as you guys can see, it made a good slime. Now look at the slime. Okay, so okay, so there we go. We have our 3 different kinds of slime with us. So these are the 3 different activators along with the kind of slime that they are going to make. I hope you liked the video, and a video is a bit longer, I know, because of no cutscenes and you can hear the background voices as well. So the aim of the video is just to show you guys that all of them works, and also to tell you about 3 different activators that you can easily use at your home. And also I'm coming up with my another video with 1 ingredient slime without any kind of activator, so just do watch that video. Also you can watch my other videos with all genuine Indian products that I've used to make my slime. You can watch, I have many videos on my channel, so do like and subscribe, share it with your friends who wanted to make slime at their homes. And I hope you like this video. You can press the notification bell as long as you want to see the notifications whenever I uploaded my slime videos. Just guys, I think you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, and have a very nice day.